हटाया जा सके।
कालीकेश सिंह जी।
Thank you, Madam. Madam, to seek a reform in the United Nations Security Council, a large number of support is required, unanimous support is required, because 2/3 of the members need to vote for the reform, and 2/3 of the members of the Security Council have to vote for the reform. Therefore, the G5, the 5 permanent members in the UNSC, it's in their interest to ensure that no reform happens, which is why the reform has been delayed for so many years now, 2 decades. Madam, the only way the reform can actually take place is if these 5 members of the current UNSC, in the current form that it is in, a message is conveyed to them that they no longer hold moral or authority over the rest of the world. Has India succeeded in delivering this message along with the other countries which support the reform in the United Security Council? And along with that, sir, the Prime Minister has been making a lot of visits abroad. Is this been on an agenda? The reform of the UNSC been on an agenda in his visits abroad or not?
Madam, I appreciate the question asked by the Honourable Member. Now, the process is long. The process entails that the present IGN, which is carrying on, comes to a conclusive text. This text is then voted for adoption by 2/3 members of the General Assembly, and subsequently it has to be ratified by 2/3 member states of the UN, which includes the 5 permanent members, and they have to do this as per the ratification process in their own constitutions. It is only then that a change in the charter or amendment in the charter of the UN can come through. And once that change comes through, then we feel that we will have adequate support to become members of an expanded, reformed UN Security Council. The question asked was, are we seeking enough support from various members? The answer is yes, ma'am. We are seeking enough support. All our leaders who visit various countries make it a point that this issue is always brought up to seek support of the country to which they are going. Same is true for all levels at which our officials meet their counterparts in various countries.
Thank you. Question number 1.